Hello dear student, I am Varun Nishad from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and in this video we will talk about the chemical properties of metal. Chemical properties of metal. Chemical properties of metal. So, what happened? The first heading is what happened. The metal bar in air. Metals bar in air. When the metals are born in air, the see when you burn during the starting of the chapter 1, we have seen the activities. Magnesium ribbon burn with oxygen and it produces magnesium oxide. The same thing happening here. What happens? Metals are burned with air. So first example is roughly, which is metals and oxygen give metallic oxide. So it is a formation of, after burning the metal, produce metallic oxide, and so they produce, for example, magnesium and oxygen. It produce MgO, and here is 2. Here is also 2. And the next example is aluminium and oxygen, Al2O3. So here is 2. Here is next. Taking the another example, copper and oxygen give cupric oxide, and here is a 2, and here is also 2. And when take the example of another metal, which is sodium and potassium. Sodium is the most reactive element, and that's why most reactive metal, and that's why we put in the immersed into kerosene oil from the product from the instantly reaction to the water or any other harmless. So it bonds with oxygen, it produces N2O, and potassium, it bonds oxygen and produce K2O. It is a 2K2O. So these two metals are most reactive. These two metals are most reactive, but here these two metals are less reactive in comparison to these metals. So less reactive and these are the most reactive to form the metallic oxide, and so there is a more reactive in comparison to these magnesium and copper. The sodium and potassium are more reactive in comparison to. So what is the nature of these oxides? What is the nature of these oxides? So when we dissolve into the water, after dissolving into water, they produce magnesium hydroxide. And when we taste with the help of litmus paper, they turn the red litmus paper into blue litmus paper. Red litmus into blue litmus. ये रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। मींस इनका जो नेचर है, अगर मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं और ये बनेगा मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, और ये रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में कन्वर्ट कर देता है। मींस दैट इट इज आवर ऑक्साइड्स और मेटालिक ऑक्साइड आर बेसिकली बेसिक इन नेचर, एंड व्हेन वी टेक it will also happen in case of copper oxide or cupric oxide and 2O and K2O. These are the alkalis. And it is also alkalis. Means alkali क्यों बोलते हैं इनको? ये मेटल्स मेटालिक ऑक्साइड ऐसे होते हैं जिनको अगर हम वाटर में डिसॉल्व करें तो डिसॉल्व इजी वे में डिसॉल्व हो जाते हैं, और which bases or which metallic oxide which dissolve into the water, and that we call alkalis. That we call alkalis or alkali metals. So these are our alkali metals, which is sodium and potassium. So these are the alkali metals or alkali which dissolve, which metallic oxide or which base dissolve into the water. Now the next, which show the both property of acids, both properties of acid and base, which metallic oxide, which, and what happened when the aluminium or react with oxygen, it will give Al2O3, and after the, so when the aluminium is react with oxygen, it produce aluminium oxide. These aluminium oxide will react with acid, and these aluminium oxide Al2O3 react with acid, it produce salt and water. It produce salt and water. Salt, which is AlCl3 plus H2O. AlCl3 plus H2O. So after balancing, we will find the 3HCl and 3HCl and 2. So here is 6 HCl, because 2 3 6 HCl है, तो यहाँ पर 3H2 कर देंगे। मीन्स जो हमारा मॉलिक्यूल है वो 6 के फॉर्म में हो जाएगा, और ये हाइड्रोजन जो हमारा 6 हो जाएगा, और ऑक्सीजन 3, here is also 3. So it is this all chemical equation is get balanced. So make a decision on here. This aluminium oxide or this metallic oxide is basic in nature. बेसिक है, और ये एसिड से रिएक्ट करता है, तो दोनों एक दूसरे को न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं और बनाते हैं एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड एंड वाटर. So this is acid, hydrochloric acid. Here is aluminium is act as base. What will happen when the Al2O3 plus NaOH, it will give sodium aluminate, which is Na2 Al O3 plus H2. So here is 2 NaOH produce sodium aluminate. and after that here is 2 Na2 air 2O3. When the aluminum oxide react with base, it is an acid. जब ये एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड वाला एसिड से रिएक्ट करता है तो ये एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड नामक सॉल्ट देता है और वाटर देता है। और जब भी एसिड जो है रिएक्ट करता है बेस से, इट गिव सॉल्ट एंड वाटर, इट गिव सॉल्ट एंड वाटर। तो यहाँ पे हमारा एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड जो है वो हमारा बेसिक नेचर का है और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड से रिएक्ट करके एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड सॉल्ट देता है और वाटर देता है। अब यहाँ पे देखिए एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड है यहाँ पे और ये बेस से रिएक्ट करता है, इट इज द बेस, इट रिएक्ट विद बेस एंड इट इज द एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड। तो ये बेस है, ये इट रिएक्ट एज एसिड एंड प्रोड्यूस सोडियम aluminate which is a salt and water. Means they neutralize to each other and form the salt and water, and these aluminum oxide we have as in one case as basic and in other case, in case of bases, it behave as acidic form. So aluminum oxide and zinc oxide, these are the metallic acid which show the both behavior of basic and acidic. So the aluminum oxides and zinc oxide, they show both the character of acidic and basic characters. If you see the zinc oxide, let us see, ये आपने एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड को देख लिया, जिंक ऑक्साइड को देख लीजिए। जिंक ऑक्साइड कैसे बनता है? Zn+O2 plus is being 2ZnO. 2ZnO means there is 2. ये जिंक ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट करता है ZnO plus sodium hydroxide and it produces sodium hydroxide and it produce sodium zincate, Na2, ZnO and water. So it is 2. Here is so our point is formation of salt and water, which is our zinc is behave as acidic character of acidic in nature in comparison to base. जब ये बेस और एसिड रिएक्ट करते हैं तो सॉल्ट और वाटर का फॉर्म करते हैं। तो इट इज आवर सॉल्ट सोडियम aluminate and water. So these are the nature of these two oxide. One is that zinc oxide and another is that these are two oxides of metal which we have as in condition, depend on the condition when we react with base, we have as a acid, and when it react with acid, it behave as a base. So they show the both property of acid and base, metallic oxide, which are zinc oxide and aluminum oxide. Now the next heading, which is what happened the metal react with water. What happened the metal react with water. React with water. What happened? Metal react with water. So it is a metal and water. It produces metallic oxide, metallic oxide, metallic oxide,